workout includes ballet, cardio, and yoga for a full total body workout. Let's begin with a refreshing warm-up, rolling those shoulders forward. This class requires no equipment, just your own body weight. We're going to roll those shoulders back, using that body weight for supports, for stability, for balance. Excellent. We're going to inhale and then exhale, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In addition to no equipment, I will not be wearing shoes for this class. It is no impact. If your doctor recommends you to wear shoes, please do so for this class. I'm so happy you're here with me today, exercising. Once more. Let's bring the hands to the waist. Let's look side to side. Making sure to keep our body in that good, strong stability stance. Our shoulders are down, back, and relaxed. Excellent. Let's bring the arms out. We're going to draw some circles with the wrist. We'll go the other way. Very good. Bring the hands to the waist. Gently heel and toe. Just a gentle touch. Excellent. Let's go to the left. Very good. We're going to begin in first position. First position represents the heels touching each other. 10 and 2 clock formation with the feet. We're just going to stand in this perfect stance, feeling strong, feeling connected with our neck, our back, our hips, our knees, and our ankles, all in alignment, thinking of that perfect posture. Let's alternate, bringing the arms forward and back, just swinging. Thumbs are up, keeping that good, strong stability stance with our heels touching. Very good. We're going to open this up and then come together. Open up, very graceful, very ballet-like. Keeping that first position stance. Very good. Hold the arms together. Shoulders are down, back, and relaxed. We're going to raise up on the toes and then back down. Lifting up the heels and back down. Very slow and controlled. Bringing great strength and stability to the ankle, the knee, and the hip. All important muscles, joints are being utilized to make you feel strong, to make you be successful in everyday life. Very good. Bring the arms down. We're going to now go into second position. Second position is the legs are spread further apart than your shoulders. We're gently going to come down in a plie and out. Arms come in when we go down. They come out when we come up. Again, this is a fusion workout, bringing variety into your exercise program. Once more. Very good. Let's come back in to first position. Gently going to do that flow forward and back. Very graceful hands, graceful arms, making the movements rhythmic, free-flowing, very happy and jolly. Excellent job. Bring the hands down to the waist. We're going to point and then bring it back in. Point and in. Couple more on each side. Staying in this first position stance, we're going to point forward and then out to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go to the left. Same movement, forward and out to the side. Let's add the arms. And left. Very good. Position the hands on the waist, still in this nice neutral stance. First position, heels up and down, up and down. Lengthening each time, feeling that solid grounding, contraction, and relaxation. Very good. Apart into that second position. Down and up. Down and up. Plie and plie. Bring in the shoulders back like you're squeezing a ball between your shoulder blades. Very good. I'm so proud of you. A couple more. Once more. Excellent. Let's bring back into that first position. Feel that stance. Bring your arms down by your side. Feel grounded. Feel strong. Bring the arms up and just open like a flower blooming. One more time. Lift the arms up and inhale and exhale. Very good. Let's gentle walk. Again, at this time, if you want to put your shoes on, that's perfectly fine. If you continue without shoes, that's perfect as well. Always know your body. Always follow the recommended guidelines from your doctor. Remember foot placement as well. Gentle walk, very light to the touch. We're going to do that box step. Again, keeping our feet shoulder width apart, going up with the right, up with the left, then back with the right, and back on the left. We're transitioning to the cardio portion. Slow movement that challenges that mind-body connection. Let's begin. Left. Very good. Mambo. Left. Excellent. Let's walk. Very gentle. Very good. Let's step out and in. Out and in. Maintaining that steady state of cardio throughout helps improve and make your heart healthy. Excellent. Let's walk. Very good. Let's go back to that ballet pose in that first position. Bring the arms out and in. Just out and in. Very good. And out, in, up, in, out. Once more. Very good. Out, 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 and out. Remembering to point the toe. Keep the foot in an angle. Couple more on each side. Very good. Bring the hands to the waist. Let's bring ourselves back into that plie position. Holding that plie. Bring the arms up and down. Just up and down. Up, down, up, and down. Just up, down, blow out. Up, down, blow out. Up, down, blow out. One more time. Up, down, blow out. Let's just walk. Have a beautiful, youthful day.